Hello friends, welcome to Educul Academy. In this video, we will learn how we will create a user interface by using XML file. In Android Studio, there are two ways to create user interface. First one here is your XML file, and second one here is your programmatically, that is Java file. And in this video, we will discuss about XML file. Okay, when you create a new project, then Android Studio will create two main files. First one is your main activity, that is Java file, and second one is your XML file, that is your design or user interface that can be seen your screen. Whatever you design here, it will show on your own screen. That is it is most important to design a interactive and simple and interactive interface. Here you can see there are three tabs. First one is design, and second one is code split. Split means you can split it with design and code also. And here you just click on, then it will show only code. Uh, here you can see there is a parent root. There is a parent root which is constant layout. A constant layout is a view group which maintain its view or view group by their constant. Uh, it is very important to define every view or view group by their constant. If you don't define any constant, then it will be show an error. Uh, the constant of any view, that is your the relative position or margin, many other things that can be defined your constant. So you can define the user interface by drag and drop. You can see here there is a palette. There is a palette, or here is a palette that has some common attribute or some common views. uh, Common views, that is if you want to uh, use a text view, then you need a text view. Text view is just like a view that used to show the your text only. And you need when you want to get the input by user and use in your app, then you need to edit text. There is many type of edit text, like plain text, password, password numeric, email, phone, portal address, multi-line, time, date, etc. There are many type of edit text available in palettes. That is already defined in your Android Studio. You just need to drag and drop. Just select and drag on the screen. Uh, when you drop on the screen, then it will show there is a three corner. When you here, then you can just press your left button and move cursor. Then it resizes your text view, your view. And this here you can see there is a constant widgets. There is a four corner, this one, two, three, four, that will be defined your relative position or constant for constant layout. So you just click here and drop on top and move to where you want to. Okay, now here I just drop here and define the position from the left and define the position from the right. And you need to define minimum two constant for your relative position. If you don't define minimum two constant, then it will show an error. Suppose we here uh, just click on it, and here you can see there are attributes of edit text. The ID of edit text you can change here, and there is a bit, there is a layout bit, and there is a height of layout, and there is a constant, and there is a margin from top. It defines the margin from top, and here the text you need to if you want to change, and internet. Okay, now we need a button that is used to uh, when we click on the button, then the text, whatever user enter in edit text, it will show on toss message. Okay, now we need a button, so just go on button and select a button and drag and drop on it. Okay, when you drop it in the screen, it will also show your constant, and you can resize it, and define the relative position. Just you just go here, click, and select, move the button on the middle where you want to just move, and define the left relative position, and right relative position, and here you can see this is your button is, so define the bottom, its bottom position. Okay, bottom. Okay, okay, now our screen is ready. We don't need this text view, so just click on right, and our user interface is ready. Now just go to our main activity. Oh, okay, button is set here, and here you uh, change the text on the button. So just text, just click me. Okay. Now your ID is button, that is most important, which is used to in Java class for identify by its ID. Okay. Now go to Java file, and get instance of uh, edit text, and private edit text, uh, edit text. Okay, and private, define the instance of button button. Okay, now initialize these instance with their ID. Edit text is equal to cast it edit text, and call the method find view by ID. This method will identify the view by their ID. Okay, just write r dot id dot edit text. This is our ID for edit text, and one button is equal to cast it button find view by ID, or dot id dot button. Okay, now our edit text and button is ready. So I just set the button to click on listener button dot set on click listener, new call on click listener, because we just taking a text from edit text, so we need a string text. Okay, and edit text dot, and call the method get text, and now get text dot convert to string, and there is a method to call toss. It will be show on your screen when you click uh, the button. Dot call the mac text. Need three parameters. First parameter is your context, and second parameter is your uh, string data, and third one is your uh, whatever you want, time duration like short or long time, short time or long time. So get uh, define the content constant, that is your main activity dot this comma and message it, uh, this is you entered, okay, and plus print the text, okay, print the text and comma. Here you define the time duration of your toss message. There is a very two type. First one is long length, and second one is short. And call the method show. Now our all the button and user interface is ready. Now run it. Okay. Now open your emulator and run the program. You can see here. Our user interface is uh, shown on the screen, and you just here enter your name like Edukul, Edukul Academy, and when you click on click me button, then it shows the toss message. Here you can see this is toss message. I just defined the short length, and that's why it shows the sort of time. Okay. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe and like the video.